Hello friends, welcome to my new vlog. This is the continuation of the previous vlog. If you have seen it, you will be knowing it. If you haven't watched it, you can watch it. The link will be in my description. Today we are exploring new trails in a forest area, and now we are exiting the forest. There are a lot of people walking here. Actually, this is a good place for walking and cycling. Vehicles will not be allowed here. Actually, I am not sure whether the cycle is allowed or not, since there was no one to stop me or there wasn't any board there, so I just came in. Actually, I don't know the route since it's my first time. I guess we should go left from here. The trail is rocky. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. Let's reach 100 subscribers very soon. Share it to your friends. Subscribe to my channel in all the accounts which you have. And if you are willing to join me for riding, then DM me on Instagram. My ID is mtbrider.01. Actually, I'm not sure where this road leads to. Let's see where it goes. This seems like a dead end. It's better to take a U-turn. And if you are thinking about this location, guess where it is. I'll give you a hint. It's in Bangalore only. It's just 3 kilometers from my home. Try guessing this location in the comments. Here I saw a peacock which was just running in front of me, and I was back of the peacock for at least 20 meters maybe. But the sad thing about it is it's not recorded. Can't help with it. It happens. There are many peacocks here. So, okay guys, this trail is about to end, but I haven't yet reached my home. This means that this video is going to be continued, and I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care, tata, bye bye. Subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have enjoyed watching it.